I know how to put pressure on insurance companies to pay out more on injury claims. I know this because I previously spent years defending personal injury claims in court on behalf of insurance companies. If you want to get paid more on your injury claim, you must put pressure on the insurance company. In this video, I will discuss 6 ways you can put more pressure on the insurance company. The first way to put pressure on the insurance company: gather and organize all the evidence. Make sure you obtain the evidence to support your claim, including medical records, medical bills, witness statements, the police report, photographs of the accident scene or photographs depicting your injuries, and any other documentation or materials that support the severity of your injuries and the damages you are seeking. Once you have gathered this evidence, send the evidence to the insurance adjuster working your case. Insurance companies have a duty to evaluate all the evidence and act in good faith when trying to resolve your claim. Second way to put pressure on the insurance company: file a lawsuit. If the insurance company is unwilling to offer you a fair settlement, you may need to file a lawsuit to seek the compensation you deserve. This can put pressure on the insurance company to offer a more reasonable settlement. After filing a lawsuit, the insurance company will have to hire a defense lawyer to defend your claim. Litigation can be costly for insurance companies. Rather than spending all that money to litigate your case, the insurance company may just up the offer previously offered to you. Also, it's been my experience that at some point in litigation, the insurance company will offer a higher amount in your case. But it's important that you litigate the case with the mindset that you will take the case to trial if a fair offer is not made. Third way to put pressure on the insurance company: hire an expert witness. An expert witness, such as a medical expert to support your injuries or damages, or an accident reconstructionist, if who caused the accident is being disputed by the insurance company, can provide a testimony and evidence to support your claim. Hiring an expert that can provide a favorable opinion about your case usually helps increase the value of your case. Fourth way to put pressure on the insurance company: be persistent when negotiating. Don't be afraid to advocate for yourself and continue to push for a fair settlement. Never take the first offer made by the insurance company if that offer is below the policy limits. It may take time and persistence, but it's important to stand up for your rights and seek the compensation you deserve. Also, when negotiating, this leads me to my next point: consider first demanding the insurance policy limits. The fifth way to put pressure on the insurance company: if you have a case worth over the available policy limits, make a demand for the policy limits in writing and set an expiration date as to when your policy limits demand expires. Insurance companies have a duty to act in good faith when negotiating with you. If you provide them with the necessary evidence in support of your claim and you make a demand for the policy limits, and it's clear the insurance company should offer you the policy limits to protect their insured from a judgment in excess of the policy limits. If the insurance company does not offer the policy limits in such a scenario to you like they should, it exposes the insurance company to a bad faith lawsuit brought directly against the insurance company. This tactic puts more pressure on the insurance company to pay out the policy limits to you. It's crucial you set an expiration date on your demand offer for the policy limits and stick with this expiration date. Don't let the insurance company unreasonably push back the expiration date. Sixth way to put pressure on the insurance company: consult with and consider retaining a personal injury attorney. An attorney may not be necessary in every case, but it doesn't hurt to at least consult with one so you know your legal options, as every lawyer I know, including myself, an experienced injury lawyer like myself, can guide you through the complexity of your injury claim and help you negotiate a maximum compensation settlement. When you hire an injury lawyer, insurance companies generally take a more serious approach to your injury claim. You also have no risk in hiring a lawyer, as every injury lawyer I know, including myself, work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you owe nothing unless the attorney wins your case. It's important to keep in mind that every case is different, and the specific steps you take take to put pressure on an insurance company to pay out more for your injury case will depend on the specific circumstances of your case. It's a good idea to speak with a personal injury attorney who can advise you on the best course of action for your situation. The thing is, knowing how to put pressure on the insurance company for your injury claim can be helpful, but that alone won't get you a fair settlement. There's actually many tricks insurance companies use that you will need to know how to avoid to give yourself a shot at a fair settlement. And in this video here, I'll show you what those tricks are that you will need to avoid so you don't get stuck with a lowball settlement. Lastly, if you've been injured in a car accident in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.